Want to improve your relationship? It all starts with a good night's sleep. Intimacy breaks down if you or your partner can't sleep in the same room. When you snore, you may not realize it, but it can be disruptive to your partner's sleep as well. The noise can keep them awake, and the constant interruptions in your breathing can also cause you to wake up feeling tired and irritable. But by using mouth tape, you can help prevent snoring and create a more peaceful night's sleep for you and your partner. With better sleep comes a better mood. When you wake up feeling rested, you'll be more likely to be in a good mood. This can lead to more positive interactions with your partner and an overall improvement in your relationship.